Hey everybody. For this short video, I thought it might be interesting for us to take a very quick look at the basics of 3D printing. Let's get started. Alright, first step, just like anything else, we have to figure out what we want to print. I was looking around on the internet, found a picture of a student throwing up the pitchfork hand sign, and figured that'd be just about as good as anything. Obviously, if we're 3D printing, then a 2D image isn't going to work for us. We're not going to go into 3D modeling in this video, but I did find a pretty good representation of that hand sign online. Just going to go ahead and open it up so we can take a look at it. This model is a lot closer to what we need, but we're still not quite there. We need to take the sculpture of a hand and turn it into a set of instructions that 3D printer can understand. We're going to go ahead and save this file, and we're going to open it in a program called Cura. Cura is the program that we're going to use to generate the instructions for the 3D printer. We can see our model. We're going to scale it down, print something a little bit smaller, and then we're going to slice it. So slicing it is generating the instructions. We can save it, and we'll be ready to print.